If you want to set photo as always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can do this, but you will have to start by opening that Galaxy store. Right now you have to go for apps and click on the search. You have to open Good Lock. Just download this application and open. Now wait for the loading screen, and right now you will have to go for that clock face. You will have to open it, and now you have to click My Clock, click plus. Now you can select this on the right side and click Recycle Bin. Now click plus, click your image or GIF. In my case, I want to get image, click on the gallery, and here from the gallery we can pick anything that you want, literally anything. For example, this picture. Now we can scale this picture so we can make it bigger or smaller, and as you can see, you can change its frame. So you can even get out of the frame if you want, but in my opinion, this one looks pretty cool. So you can make it also bigger or smaller by zooming in and zooming out, for example, like this. And right now we can add the additional things. For example, if you want to still view time on the always on display, you can add, for example, the digital clock that you can put, for example, over here. You can still customize it, change its font, and here you can add the additional things, for example, the weather, if you want to view over here. And you can also make this weather bigger or smaller. So as you can see, pretty impressive customization options. Now, if you change everything, by the way, by scrolling, we can also change the color of the clock, just like this, and click here. Now tap on it, click here, click done, lock the screen, and here we are.